Yeah, I think they do.
I would like to think that's the case.
They absolutely count for you.
Okay.
Hey Zach, by the way, this is riveting gameplay. We're sitting in a tower, just
Yeah,
prone,
this is just-
and have been for
we're
the
just
last
camping.
10 minutes. We are
We're-
legit
we're not-
camping.
Yeah, we're not video game camping either. We're like, this is just us, like we're going hunting for deer or something.
Are you kidding me? We're still
I
in a
wish I could
circle.
spectate.
No way.
This is so dumb.
Alright, we've been coming in like 40th place too much tonight to lose this, so I want to win. Do you have any plates?
Yeah. Do you?
Okay, yeah.
I have 8, and I have a gas mask.
I got 4, and a gas mask. We can make this work.
Yeah. Here.
It's a good thing you didn't blow up those vehicles. Thanks.
You-
Well, I can only pick up one of them.
Oh.
So take that one back. It's a good thing we didn't blow those up.
Yeah. This is so stupid, Zach.
I wish you could spectate
I
us.
really wish.
That's what I'm saying. I wish I could fucking just spectate, but it won't fucking let me.
I feel like this is a brilliant spot because
It actually is, because no one's thinks, they're not stupid enough to come up there.
the full team just hides in a little tower.
Dude, where is everyone? I'm worried about the northwest or northeast. I mean, because they'll have high ground.
True, but we have a shit ton of explosives.
True. Yeah, that's very true.
Okay, I'm fine with this
Okay.
actually.
Yeah, and it's close. It's not closing yet, so that's good.
So 4 squads left, 6 people.
It's 4 besides us. I don't know where they would be.
Does that mean
They must be off to our west.
there's 1 team and 2? Yeah.
Oh, yep,
I hear
right off to
them.
our left. Yep, called it. Oh god. Oh, and they're straight ahead as well.
Do you have a gas mask?
Yep.
Oh,
Alright, so there's people straight ahead. This is the
it's 2 solo people
Stupidest way to win.
left. Can you ping him?
God damn it.
I'm moving.
Yeah, visual.
Yeah.
Oh shit. He's off this.
Fucking
That's it?
oh my.
Oh, we won! Holy shit!
We did it!
What the fuck?
Please tell me you were recording at least.
Yeah, I'm about to record it. Christ.